Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting immediately. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and on a supported iOS. Open Messages and pick the conversation for which you want to stop sharing. Tap the contact name or group header at the top to reveal the conversation details. This step leads to controls that manage location sharing. Once the details view appears, you'll see options like Send My Current Location and Share My Location. Focus on the Share My Location controls to change who can see you and why it's important to restrict access. You now manage the live sharing option. Tap Share My Location in the Details page to expose the toggle and choices. If you want to end sharing completely, choose Stop Sharing My Location. This ceases continuous location broadcasts to that person. If the share was temporary, you can instead select Share for 1 hour or Share until end of day to limit exposure. Make sure to confirm the change because Messages sometimes leaves the previous indicator until refreshed. Exiting and reopening, the thread verifies the new state. Finish by checking Find My. Open the app and look under People to remove anyone who still sees you. If you want a global stop, go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, select Find My, then turn off Share My Location. This halts all devices and apps tied to your account. If a person still reports seeing you, sign out of iCloud on this device or reboot. That refresh often clears cached location info. One troubleshooting tip: confirm both devices have internet so changes propagate immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.